Hello everyone, today we will show you how to install a TV model AVS240SM in a wall of plasterboard. The TV will be installed in the kitchen apron. First of all, we mark the hole to install the box under the TV. For this we'll need a tape measure, a level, a corner and a metal ruler. After we have drawn the box in size, we can start cutting out the hole. We didn't know where the metal profile is installed, so decided to use the angle grinder in order to make the hole in a wall. Next, we cut out the drywall piece and cut off the profile that will interfere with the installation of the box. Try on the box. Now we will need a timber that fits in the metal profile. Measure and trim the bar height of the installation box. On the left hand side we cut across a small part of the profile. This means that most of the profile is adjacent to the wall, and you can install the timber directly in the existing profile. We drill a metal profile with a drill in several places around the perimeter of our timber and fasten the timber from the outer side of the wall. On the right hand side of the wall we cut the profile, so we need a new piece of profile larger than the actual bar. Best of all, that our new piece of profile is rested on the transverse profiles. Next, fasten the timber to the designated place on the temporary screws. And set the profile with the bar in place. We twist several screws from the outside. After which the temporary screws holding the timber can be unscrewed. Our niche for the installation of the installation box is ready. Additionally, we decided to install the MDF panel. Therefore, in the panel we also marked the size of the box and cut the hole. Install the MDF panel and plinth for the tabletop. Next, install the box from the TV in its place and align it. Fix the box with the help of 4 screws. For this purpose, holes are provided in the actual box. If you install the TV in the main wall, then you can additionally attach the box to the back, bottom or top walls of our niche. Next, we need to hold the power cord, HDMI cable from the smart box and the TV cable to the TV. Our sockets, set-top box and antenna are located above the kitchen furniture, so with a mill we make an additional hole above the cabinets and extend the wiring. We put in order the working area and proceed to the installation of the TV. Remove the cover, hiding and protecting the interfaces of the TV. Now we connect the necessary power wire, HDMI from the set-top box and the television antenna. close and fasten the cover in place, insulating soft material reliably prevents moisture from entering the connectors and does not damage the wiring. When installing the TV, it is best to use glass clamps because it is convenient and safe. Before installing, check the wiring again to avoid damage. When properly installed, the TV is lowered in grooves by 15mm. If you install the TV in a place where moisture can get on the TV itself, or if you want to fix the TV more reliably, then you should apply a sealant on the rear edge of the actual TV. It remains for us to turn on and configure the TV AVS240SM. This TV will look effective in any kitchen, and most importantly, it does not occupy much space. Large viewing angles allow you to enjoy the image from anywhere in the kitchen.